How to enable voice input or text-to-speech function on your Android. So if I just pop up my keyboard right here, I don't see any voice input that was supposed to be here. Even if I go on my settings, I don't see the option. So even if I go to my Samsung keyboard, I don't see the option here. For that, what you need to do is open your phone settings. Just go to your phone settings from here. Go to General Management. Once you do that, you can find the keyboard settings right here. Tap on it, scroll down until you find voice input, and it's right now selected to none. You can choose either Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. Google voice typing is grayed out right now. That means it's not enabled. So I need to go to my Google keyboard settings. So for that, I'm going to change my default keyboard to Gboard from here. And once I do this, I can go to my Gboard settings, go to voice typing and enable it. Once I do this, I can go back to my app, and here I can see the voice input option. So if I just tap on it, it will type in whatever is listening. And that's how you can enable voice input on your Android. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.